Menteri Rangba Kejelau Conrad Sangma hakala asing ublay jung katayo ulaple padba ya Tylli Projek hangamadan football Umsning patarim haga distrik Ribhoy. Dagajing temu ban kentiya wiki kampen roy haga negatan jong ka distrik Ribhoy. Menteri Rangba Kejelau Megalayau Conrad Sangma rengkat kejing don lang Menteri Ketenat CNRD ubak Sostenis Sotun MLA Umsning constituency Dr. Celestine Lingdo MLA Kenongpo ubak Meralbon CM ki officer bat kebeki Ula play ke projek ke bakentop ya ke Ribhoy Silk Dream E-Rise ke projek Dairy Rearing Innovation Spinning and Environment ke jingbo maunong rem ke Umsning Mini Stadium ke jing pelat ke projek E-Rise ba jing sami ke jing tay ba ke jing pelat ya ke projek I Coaching lengba ke Aspire Philo App. Nalor kanil IT ya ke E-Rise machine net bat ki check kinong ya jing mentoy ba la samru ya ke MSSDA Training Certificate kinong ridokha. Apa kerana kejing lang Conrad Sangma ulang mak sorkar kedan kejing ngej banwara kejing kala berki kam pendroi ke badan kam berkas ngap badle ki kam ban peniajan bad upat ba ulang batang ha ke distrik Ribhoy kidan palat nyo hajar kinong ri kenyang eri bad kinong tanjan eri bala kersyan ki da ka pali kaban sedang shwa da syajar arspat li gilong dieng ke badan ki arp artli ki cluster jong kisan tli blok ki ban yo mar lai po hajar tengka iwei baru ula pentep ba kejing show pisa ba saw point rewi we klur tengka agre ka kam kanwan ra kejing onong kaban kot chpau klur sisnem ba kejing onong kan wan ke sarkar dai shikinong yo benta ba ginong rep ula penpa ba Umsning Mini Stadium kejing angnot bala slam ba jong ki pat ba kathan bat menta chnai ka natural football turf ne ban siang do plang uba im kejing chnai ki jaka shong pet kai kinala ba ki kejing dan kam ka ba kejing lut kan kot saw point nyo iwe klur tengka.
As a government, we have always believed that for any leadership, any department, or any official to be able to bring the changes and the development that is required, we must listen to the people. We must connect with the people. Sometimes, as politicians, we become very complacent. We take things very easy. And we wake up only when the election arrives. This is not the kind of governance that this MDA government wants to give. We want to be a responsive government. We want to be a government that connects with our people, listens to its people, and delivers in a timely manner. It was in that CM Connect program which I had right here in Umsning. I was told about the street lights, and within a matter of couple of months, with the help and support of your very dynamic local MLA, we were able to provide the street lights. In this field, there was a demand for a mini stadium to be constructed. And within 4 months, we are here today with the sanction, the administrative approval, and we are today here to lay the foundation stone for that particular mini stadium. There was a request that the Jal Jeevan Mission program of the Umsning, Greater Umsning water supply was affected because of the road construction. We immediately called the meeting, and as mentioned by DC, majority and by our local MLA, Majority of the issues have been resolved. Some additional features and additional lines have been demanded by the people. We are working on those also. There were many road projects that were requested. I'm happy to inform you, some have been sanctioned, some will be sanctioned in the days to come, because we also have financial constraints. We cannot sanction everything in one go, but the process has started.